Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and it's time to open day 3 of the Advent that I'm opening that I got from Fable Knitwear. I have 5 different full skeins to open every single Sunday and Christmas Day, and this is the 3rd Sunday, so December 15th. So time to open it. Okay, let's close my eyes. I don't want to, let me, all right. Let's see. You'll see first. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Okay, first of all, gold stellina again. Second of all, this color is so nice. Oh my god. It's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I love shades of green from bright to this to darker, obviously. But this shade is amazing because it gives off like a gray vibe, but it's like a dark gray green with gold stellina in it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is called Olive. Perfect. It's literally olive. And it's the same specs as the others, fingering weight yarn, 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 5% gold stellina. Oh my gosh. This this is making me want to knit socks now with these like colorwork socks. Wouldn't that be so amazing? Oh my god. I feel like it would show off the yarns so beautifully. Oh, I'm in love. But yeah, this is the 3rd day of the Advent. Do you have any ideas of what kind of projects you guys would make with these? I'm leaning towards socks. I said a cardigan, but then I thought, do I really want to make a fingering weight cardigan? Not really. But would I want to make socks? Absolutely. Maybe mittens? Maybe... It's fingering weight yarn. Not a lot of beanies are done with fingering weight yarn. So it may have to be colorwork socks. Listen, we're going to see what we get in the next 2 Advents, and then I'll decide what I want to do with all of them, okay? But look at this. Amazing, beautiful. I cannot wait to see what we have next week, okay? Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled program. Wait a second. There was something else in here. I need to check these things. Okay, I don't know what's in here. Ooh. Buttons! Oh! They're so cute. Hold on, let me hold them up. Well, I'll hold one of them up. This is the button. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And I have 2 of them. This is literally so freaking cute. You know what I could use these on? Mittens. Or like a cute like cropped cardigan and just have it buttoned in 2 spots. And then it's like open here, open there. That's cute. But yeah, so these are the goodies for today. Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and today is day 16 of me knitting on the Kintra sweater test knit, alright? This looks so short, oh my god. So, I got 1 set of decreases done for the sleeve. First of all, can we just admire how good this coloring is? Like, oh, it just blends so well together. I used 2 different skeins here, and oh, okay, amazing. Anyway, I wound up a new skein of yarn as well because I only have this much done, or this much left, which, you know, it could get me through the first sleeve probably. Maybe not toward the end of it, but yeah, it'll get me through that. But I don't think it's gonna get me to the next sleeve. So I wound up another one. I knew I would need to wind up 3, but I was just hoping that I wouldn't need to. I was like, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Anyway, my goal today is to finish the sleeve today and start on the 2nd sleeve. Yes, finish the sleeve, start on the 2nd sleeve. And I also need to edit like 8 videos today for YouTube. So that's what I'm going to be doing basically all day. So let's knit. Guys, I have 3 more decreased sets left of the sleeve. Oh my gosh, whoa, this sleeve got long. Like, duh, because I'm literally knitting. But also, when I'm knitting, I don't check anything. I just knit until I reach my goal. So,
No, literally.
He was over there like,
because when I was almost done with the sleeve, I was like, how did I get out of this progress?
literally, I have 3 more decreases, which is so awesome. Usually, I do not like sleeves that are close, you know, and I don't know. But it's the design, so I'm not going to, like, deviate from it. It's a test knit. Also, hello.
It's actually not bad when you put it on.
Really?
Yeah, it's not tight at all.
Oh, okay. Well,
it feels great.
The sleeve is approved.
Yeah, it'll loosen up when we block it too. So
true.
it's very nice. It's like this, basically.
Oh,
but
nice.
A little looser.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah, I have 3 more decreases before the ribbing. I'm going to finish the sleeve today. I am going a little slower than I prefer, but I'm also editing like 8 videos. It's currently 10:21 p.m. I've edited days 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 so far.
You just tell them how far ahead you are.
Yeah. And I am about to schedule day 12.
Wait, I forgot this is it.
Yeah, it's in the video.
You're ahead of those videos.
Yeah, exactly. So 5 videos edited and scheduled. The 5th one's about to be scheduled. I'm gonna work on day 13, knit on the sleeve. My goal, like I said, is to finish the sleeve, so I will edit however many videos I need to edit to finish the sleeve. And that's just what's gonna happen. I need to find the 16-inch circular of my 3mm needles. So I'm gonna do that and then have that ready for the ribbing. It is currently 12:30 a.m. on the dot, okay? I have finished my sleeve before the ribbing. And this is what it's looking like. I need to do the ribbing, but I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day that I want to be the last day of me knitting on this, which means I will have 15 rounds of ribbing to do on 3mm needles, plus an entire sleeve. But listen, we have gotten down to the wire before on sleeves many times. You may have noticed that these vlogs are getting shorter. It's literally just because I'm just trying to lock in to filming. Lock into knitting, because if I lose even a little bit of focus, it just, I take too many breaks because knitting on this is taxing. It is so enjoyable, but it's so much. So this is where the sleeve is on me right now, which is great. The body keeps rolling up here. There we go. So here it is at the top, and the sleeve is here on me. And then I have about 4 centimeters of ribbing, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Tomorrow I should have all day to knit, today I spent most of the day editing my videos. I wanted to edit videos 8 through 15, days 8 through 15, and guess what? I'm uploading and scheduling day 15. So tomorrow, all I have to focus on is knitting, because the only videos I'll have left to edit will be today's video and tomorrow's video, because I'm finishing the sleeve tomorrow, okay? I am not sleeping until I finish the sleeve. I also have to wake up in about 2.5 hours. Yeah, because we're going to the airport. My sisters and I are taking our mom to the airport. So I'm just going to be a zombie tomorrow probably. But I'm getting this sleeve done regardless, okay? So yeah, the vlogs are a little shorter, but I will continue posting videos every single day. So, you know, if it's a little shorter, just save some videos and binge watch them, all right? And that is all that I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you've been working on while watching this series of me working on the kintra sweater. Are you interested in the kintra sweater? I don't know if I've mentioned, but there will be a DK weight version of this sweater. So if you're interested in the sweater, but you're like, oh, fingering weight, do not fear. DK weight is here, okay? So this will be released in February. So just a couple months, and then it will be here for you to get. This is so amazing. Anyway, that's all I have. I'll see you guys in the next one. Good night.